Your website will definitely lose visitors if you're loading big images that take a long time. But there's a new image format in town. It's called WebP, and it can be up to 34% smaller than a JPEG. Developers have loved using the WebP image format ever since it released. And now, after a long journey, WebP is considered a baseline feature in all major browsers. However, just because it's in browsers doesn't mean it's supported on all devices. So it's crucial to be able to convert between WebP and JPEG back and forth. Now, doing this yourself can be costly. You might have to manage image processing pipelines or servers to perform these actions. But with Cloudinary, you can use just the URL or any of our SDKs to convert between WebP and JPEG however you need. By using the Cloudinary platform, you'll gain access to UIs, CLIs, and APIs to do image conversion between WebP, JPEG, and many other formats. I'll walk you through how to upload an image and convert it back and forth between WebP and JPEG. First, we start by clicking the Sign Up for Free button. Then let's select Sign Up with Email. Go ahead and fill out your account information here, and then click Get Started Now. This should bring you to your media library where we can upload images for conversion. I went ahead and created a new folder called Cloudinary Conversion Demo, and this is where you can upload images. Start by clicking the blue Upload button. Then click Browse to look around your computer for the file you want to upload. In my case, it's called austin.jpg. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see it in your media library. If you click on it, you can view additional details like its format and size. It's a JPEG, and it's pretty big at 2 megs. Let me show you how to convert this image from JPEG to WebP just by using its URL. You hover over the image and click Copy URL. Let's load that in the browser. I pasted that URL in the address bar and loaded up the image. If we look in the DevTools in the Network tab, we can see the image loading at 2 megs, just like we had. And if you open it up, you will see in the preview pane that this is in JPEG format. Now let's use the URL to change this. Modify the URL to include f_webp right after the upload path. This tells Cloudinary to serve up this image in the WebP format. When we navigate to that page, now we see that the image is only 870K. And if we click on it and look at the preview pane, it is showing us that is WebP format. So just by using the Cloudinary URL, we can tell Cloudinary which format of the image to serve. This is super powerful, and we can also do this in code with the Cloudinary SDK. Here we have a simple node script that will generate a Cloudinary URL for us, but use whatever format of the image that we want, like WebP, JPEG, and many others. We started off this script by importing the Cloudinary package and then configuring it with the name of our cloud. Then we call the cloudinary.url method, which will dynamically generate a Cloudinary URL. In this case, let's uncomment this line and tell Cloudinary that we want this image served up as a WebP. If we run this script in the console, it'll spit out a URL. And as you can see here, this URL has the same f_webp that we used in the browser. Let's open this up in the browser and confirm this does show us a WebP. Here we are in Google Chrome, and we can see that the image named Austin is loading up, 870K, which is the same as before. And if we click on it, look at the preview pane, it does show us that's in a WebP format. As you can probably imagine, having full programmatic control over your image URLs can scale very well. If you're iterating between 10, hundreds, or even thousands of images, you can use the Cloudinary SDK to dynamically choose which format you want those images to be served up in. This will make processing images at scale so much easier. In the next video, we're going to be showing you how to use AI to automatically crop images for you.